Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. Today I'm here with another very special Christmas project. As you can see, we have very pretty Christmas in Heaven lantern in front of us. This year was the perfect year to create this project, especially so many people gone through a lot of suffering and sorrows, and there's just so many people like us who had lost their loved one. So I'm doing this project special for our son in heaven, and if you have somebody you lost this year or any other year and you want to do this projects, you have to stay tuned because I'm gonna teach you each little detail related with the project, and you can see it's turned out to very nicely. If you're new to my channel, my name is Syra and you're very warmly welcome. I'm sure you're gonna find something interesting to learn here. Just go ahead and subscribe, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy all the new update on this channel. So let's go ahead and start our today project. Alright, so for making our Christmas in Heaven lantern, which I'm special making for my son, all we just need a lantern. I had got this from Christmas shop, but you can find it Walmart or the other crafty store. I'm gonna keep like this in a silver, especially it's like an angel, like a heaven theme, but you can get in a white, you can do in a black, whatever choice you like. And then I have battery operator lights here. You can use a Dollar Tree lights too, but I guess that will be so nicely to wrap around my Christmas tree. Then I already have decorated my Christmas tree, which I got from Walmart. You see, I added red beads around because it's a Christmas. And I made a Christmas skirt, just to cut a circle, with the yarn fabric, and just place under. Okay, and then we need a chair. That was from Dollar Tree store, which I painted red because it's a Christmas color. And also I put little decoration on the back. That's pipe cleaner. And then I take a little woven piece to make a small blanket, and I painted love on the center. All right, and then I printed out this Christmas in Heaven decor. You can Google it and just print out whatever you like. I love this kind of theme, and the picture perfectly work for this lantern. And this piece of a buffalo check, I cut it to put as a carpet on the bottom, but you can even use the fake snow put on the bottom. It's up to you. And I have some ornaments here. I will see how I can decorate, and on the top I will show how I'm gonna decorate with other stuff. If you are creating an open tray or like a little bigger lantern, you can use a Dollar Tree Christmas trees, just to place Dollar Tree battery lights on the back, and that will also work perfectly. So let's go ahead and start it. All right, first we're gonna take our carpet, which we cut it, and I'm using a hot glue. Just gonna put on our corners so that doesn't move. No. And just take with the gentle hands. All right, after placing our carpet, now this I have created for back of the window, a little frame. So just gonna use a double side of squash tape on the back, on the four corners, and here we go. And we are just going to place on the back for a nice background. Just try to stay in the center. All right, that sounds good. And now it's time to place our Christmas tree. Just put a little glue on the back. and we are trying to make sure it stay as much as you can in a corner. All right, before putting our chair inside, now I want to use my battery lights. So simply I just gonna take, if you can see, I will just go around this hole from back and bring my all wire inside. Because that's a perfect way. And then I'm just gonna take a little piece of tape, because I also gonna decorate top, so just gonna place the battery with the tape here. Okay, now it's perfectly on the back. Now we just can wrap around the wire around our tree to back forth. We turn on. All right, so lights are up at our Christmas tree, and now just gonna take our chair, put a little bit of glue on the back, just gonna try to carefully place inside. And also just lay your little blanket on top of chair. And I have this little ornament which I'm going to place it inside rather than making a gift. All right, just going to place on a side, so that will be part of Christmas decorations. Okay, if I show you, so as you can see, inside looking already so pretty. Now it's time to decorate from outside. First we're going to work on our door, and then I will work on a top. So for door, I'm using this one, inside Christmas in Heaven decal. Just gonna place like this. I'm actually going to use the double side tape around the corners, and then I'm going to place this. And the other piece, I also want it to look nice on outer side as well. So one I'm placing inside, and one I'm trying to place on outside too. So even if the door is open on the other side, it still look nice outside. So let's do that thing now. So let's add piece of tape on the back first. Just on the corners is fine. All right, so we're just going to insert. You see how beautifully it's matched with our chair. And now we can also use one on the back, because I don't want that look like a white, so I'm just covering the back with the same. All right, the same method. We are just going to use a piece of tape on the four corners. And we are just trying to place in the center. Just make sure you have the same distance from top to bottom. All right, see how beautiful it's look. All right, so now it's time to decorate on top of our lantern. I am using a point stuff flower on the top of this. You can use any bow or whatever you like. Simply I just want to cut extra branch. Just gonna have enough to place glue around. I'm just going to place on top of this. Check out the position. Right, and we are just going to add glue. Hold up till your glue gets steady. Okay, and then I gonna use these cherries branches, evergreen cherries branches. Just gonna cut two of these and place on both sides. So just trim it. Okay. And exactly size. Another one. Okay, so something like this on one side and other side. Okay, so we're just gonna move gently, and I am actually going to bend little, because if I show you, it's little bent here, top is bent. So when we little bend over this branch, we will have easy access. Oh, you even no need to place a glue, just like this. All right, and same thing we are going to other side as well. With the gentle hands. And this absolutely looking so adorable. If I turn on the lights. And as you can see, our project turned out very nicely. If you are the person who have lost your loved one this year, my family and me sending a lots of prayer for you, for comfort, peace, and may God be your strength, and know that our loved one is having the wonderful Christmas in heaven with Jesus. I love you all. Feel free to share this video with the others who can get comfort. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Love you all and have a peaceful, wonderful Christmas. Bye bye.